up, guys? It's your boy Jesus. Just got out of school. I want to go pick up a new toolbox. I want to do the unboxing and a review for you guys. So stay tuned and check out the video. Hope you guys enjoy. Like, comment. So I'm out here chilling. Just copped a new toolbox. We'll unbox it right now. It's my boy Ruben gonna help me out.
What's up, dude?
I brought back the Bowie knife, and let's get into this. Comment what color you think the toolbox is. Comment what color the toolbox is. So, go. Hey. Go. Ah, shit. Fuck it. So the tools you're gonna need is a ratchet, sockets, and wrenches. That. Alright, well, what I recommend is that you take out all the drawers so you can make it lighter. It's a pretty heavy box.
How do you take them off?
So by taking them off, you push this one down, other foot up.
Oh, okay.
Roll them out. If you don't do that, because it's gonna be hella heavy, dude. Because my friend has them, help him build it. That's how I got the hernia. So, So this is what we have so far. Now we're gonna install the base of the toolbox. Coming out pretty good. A little difficult, nothing lines up. But what can you say? It's Harbor Freight. Nothing's tying up right now. We're gonna tighten everything up at the end.
I love you. That's the only truth I know.
Please, Fred, don't leave me.
So I just finished building the US General cart. I'll clean up this mess and start installing my tools. My toolbox, I still need to add that shelf and the handle, but I'll do that next time. So we pop it up. Oh, this is my favorite drawer right here. There you go. Thank you for watching today. I hope you all enjoy. Please like, comment, subscribe, and share. And stay tuned. We're going to have a lot of content with this Honda Civic EG. And once I hit 1,000 subscribers, I will be giving away both of these snap-on ratchets. So tell your homies, your little brothers, sisters to subscribe so you can have a chance to win those snap-on ratchets. Thank you. And thanks, fam.